Kona ride, Kona Independent Suspension. Introducing Kona Independent Suspension. 4 different platforms, one simple goal: to create the best suspension performance possible for specific riding applications. For our designers, this means an extensive study of the relationship between leverage rate curve, pivot placement, geometry, and intended use. The 4 configurations, rocker, beamer, swinger, and fuse, are centered around a linkage-actuated shock and based on a single pivot suspension design philosophy that is built to provide maximum performance for each intended application. Our leverage rate curves are designed specifically for each platform's intended application. The result is a predictable ride feel throughout the travel that's easy to tune. Durability. Tested in the Pacific Northwest, we are able to ride our prototype frames year-round on the unforgiving trails of the North Shore and in the muck and mud of Washington. The result of this exhaustive testing is widely spaced pivots and oversized bearings that prevent early wear from side loading to create a durable platform built for years of hard riding. Rocker independent suspension. Modern trail and enduro riders expect a suspension design with no performance concessions when going up, down, or across the mountain. Our rocker independent suspension design is built to maximize standover and stiffness while providing a progressive leverage rate curve that has been carefully matched to modern air shocks. The result is a bike that climbs with a level of proficiency reserved for cross-country specific machines while retaining the ability to descend with a reckless abandon. Beamer independent suspension. Our beamer independent suspension represents our long-standing heritage and commitment to the classic single pivot suspension design. The newest iteration uses bearings in the upper shock mount to minimize friction and produces what we call pure shock movement that allows the rear suspension to move more freely. The leverage curve is tuned specifically for World Cup downhill racing and is designed to perform best with coil and large volume air shocks. Swinger independent suspension. Featured on the Precept line of mountain bikes, Kona's swinger configuration features a solid and efficient suspension platform that is capable of introducing you to new and exciting all-mountain trails. Durable and efficient, the swinger platform is built to perform in a variety of trail conditions, but at a more affordable price. Fuse independent suspension. Designed to be as lightweight and efficient as possible, oriented specifically for the demands of the modern XC trail rider. Like all of our suspension platforms, the Fuse independent suspension is designed around a single pivot with a predictable leverage ratio for a responsive, snappy feel. Built for our Hey platform, the frame features a dropout that relies on small degrees of frame flex rather than a pivot at the seat stay and chainstay junction. The result is an efficient, laterally stiff suspension system that takes weight savings to a new level.